Well, my name's Richard Corkins. I go by Corky. I'm the Electrical Special Project Manager for the Cascade Irrigation District here in Ellensburg, Washington. I've been working in the valley here for about 35 years. For the Cascade, just the last 3 years part-time. The valley here is agriculture. This valley is very unique because it's the premier Timothy Hay Valley because of the high quality due to the growing season. We have great soil, we have great climate, but the third factor is the water. Without the water, none of this is possible. The water's the blood of this valley. Our 8 pumping motors, they're 300 horse at 2400 volts. They pump that lifeline blood up to the canal from the river intake, and then we distribute that with about 70 miles of canals. We actually had a major failure Saturday evening. Once I opened up the disconnect, I seen the copper balls, the carbon tracking, and knew that this disconnect was no longer serviceable and that it needed to be replaced. And our existing transformer took 1247 down to 2400. It was leaking oil. We had bushings going bad. When it went down, farmers run out of water. Word traveled by mouth very quickly. Everybody in the valley knew about it almost instantly within 10 or 12 hours. Valley came together. Everybody's pulling throughout the community to get this back up and running. And it was my project to see the mechanical end of it, getting it going. So emergency board meeting was held on site with a lot of concerned farmers. They asked me what my game plan was. My game plan was to be at Maddox Transformer at 7 o'clock Monday morning. And they moved our project transformer that was there into what they call Econ. That's emergency condition down, which we were. Progress said that it could be done as early as Thursday noon or Friday noon, somewhere between that time. So on Friday morning, I returned with my truck and trailer. 11:30, 12 o'clock, the transformer was ready.
Good job, Maddox.
Time we were loaded, we were out of there by 2 o'clock and back in the valley on that evening. Saturday morning, we had the crane service here. We were setting the crane, did all the mechanical setting of the transformer and the disconnect. Sunday was connections and testing. And by Sunday at about 5 o'clock, we turned the site back on. So we were down just 8 days. A lot of pressure. Our crop loss was about $30,000 an hour. And Maddox Transformer mitigated a lot of that cost by getting to us that fast. Highly recommend Maddox. Just a top-notch organization that got us through an emergency. They were right on target of their estimate. You never can tell when you open up these transformers exactly what's inside till you get in there. So that's why they were plus or minus 24 hours and they were right on the money.